Hi, my name is Jackie.
My name is Amanda.
And welcome to Adams Hall. Adams Hall is a co-ed building offering single, double, and suite style living with approximately 105 students.
Let's go check it out.
To get into the building, you're going to need your student ID. This is our common room where we come to hang out and study and get snacks from the vending machines.
In order to get into your room, you're going to need a key. This is our double. Each double comes equipped with 2 desks with chairs, 2 twin extra long beds, 2 dressers, and 2 closets. We've decorated ours to look a little bit more like home.
Thanks for visiting us at Adams Hall.
And we hope to see you on campus soon. Bye!